होगा।
ज्यादा
And
नहीं
lastly, please do not throw anything into the water. पानी में कुछ भी मत फेंकेगा, गलती से अपने आप को भी नहीं।
ठीक है ठीक।
Is it clear?
यस।
Wonderful. We also have a professional photographer on board. Please take some beautiful memories back with y'all. He charges only ₹100 per copy and gives instantly. फोटो खींचने के बाद तुरंत आपको मिल जाती है. For more details, please contact him. His name is Raju. We also have a fully fledged bar and snack counter right behind you. बिल्कुल आपके पीछे खाने पीने चीज़ों का काउंटर है. It is a self service counter. अगर किसी को कुछ खाना पीना हो तो बेशक जाइएगा. The washrooms are on the lowermost deck. सबसे नीचे वाले हिस्से पे washrooms है. That is towards my left hand side are the ladies washroom and towards my right hand side are the gents washroom right down on the lowermost deck. So few sightseeing for you all before we start with the program. Everyone please turn around. आपके पीछे देखिएगा आपको एक बड़ा सा केबल ब्रिज नजर आ रहा है.
पीछे आ जाओ, पीछे आ जाओ.
आपको नजर आ रहा है? Thank you for responding. That is the Atal Setu, the third longest cable bridge of India. इंडिया का third longest cable bridge है. उसके नीचे आपको दो और